Hi there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? Hi there, it's Annie Lou. How are you?
Hi, it's Lou Ricci.
Well, enthusiasm.
No. Best I got.
Hi there, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I have decided to do another fall page. But this time it is just going to be one side. Not a double page. Just a single page. I was thinking about the products I have left over from the Dollar Tree, so I wanted to create something. So I was on Facebook today, and a friend of mine posted something, and her name is Michelle. She was a student of mine when I taught at Bella. Can you see it? Here we go. She posted this pumpkin. Now, I have leftover leaves. I have lots of leftover leaves. So I am going to show you how to create this pumpkin. It's really, really easy. I may have some of that barnwood scrapbook paper. I'm going to look. I have picked out my papers, and I am a firm believer that you can mix anything and it will look good. They are all in the same family. There's a solid and there's a print. I don't know yet. But I do know the first thing that I need to do is, this is definitely going to be the background. I need to put this tape over here because it's very raggedy. I will probably end up painting something on this page. Maybe I should do it on this page. Here I go again. Don't know what to do. I do know that, oh, I can't do it on that page, because I want to wrap this. I want to wrap it around the page. That will get painted for another project. Okay, so let's see how much overhang I have over here. I'm going to do it like, you know, like you would wrap a package. I hate to do it, but I have to put some wax paper over here. I hate that wax paper. Sometimes you gotta do what you don't want to do. This is a page that has the stitching, and I'm just trying to get the paper part off. That is going to have to be good enough. So I will be using the beacon glue, and I need a brayer. So let me get my brayer. I could not find my brayer. A brayer is a tool that is like a rolling pin, but it's a lot smaller than this. I believe it is still packed somewhere. A friend of mine and me went away a few weeks ago. We went to Wells, Maine. I found a hotel that had a really good rate. So we went on a Friday, we came home on a Monday, and I think it was about $120 for each of us. Something like that. Before Mr. Pandemic was around, we used to go away a lot. There are different groups that get together. Scrapbooking weekends. I live in New England, so one of my favorite ones, and thank you Jesus they're still around, is Cool Crops. COOLCROPS. So they do crops in Rhode Island, they do crops in Massachusetts, on the Cape, and Connecticut. It really is fun to go to a crop. You go to a hotel and you set your stuff up and you leave it there the whole time you're there. Usually we end up going on a Thursday night, set up, then all day Friday, Saturday, and then like till around 4 o'clock on Sunday you're scrapping, having fun. There are games. Food is included. It is wonderful. I was going to put the tape on and I didn't, and I can't do it now. You just have to make do with what you got and fix your mistakes by just taking a different road. I'm going to tuck that all the way in and get my rolling pin And what I'm doing is I'm just spreading out that glue that is underneath. I have better control with my brayer, but this does cover a wider area. There you go. Okay. So now I am going to turn that page. This page was not glued. You know how the other pages I glued two together? This one is not glued together, and that is okay, because I will glue that afterwards. So let me put some more glue over here, right on that corner, thank you. And over here. Very good.